I'm here for a coffee with my friend Hamka. This is our last coffee here. We're gonna say goodbye. I'm pretty sunburned, so I'm not gonna make any friends in the bus. I just want to sleep until I get white again. Okay. Bye, Hamka.
Bye.
And now the bus is here, and I think it's about 7 hours from Bajawa to Labuan Bajo. I'm not really sure, but that's the thing. So I'm traveling in these buses again, and and there is, I'm gonna have a good friend here, Aya.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, she's gonna stay with me all the time in the bus. So in Labuan Bajo, I think I'm gonna stay in a hostel. I want to go to the Komodo Island, which is why I'm going there. And then I don't know, I want to end up in Bali. But maybe I go from Lombok with the boat, or I will get a plane. I will see today because I will have Wi-Fi for the first time. Yeah, I'm in a hostel. Good morning. My friend Alexia here doesn't want to be in the camera, so this is the room. So I'm now heading to this scuba diving business here. And it seems that I talked yesterday with the owner of this, and he offered me a free snorkeling day with food and everything. So in order for me to talk about this and show it on my videos and on my blog, so I'm now heading to the office and discuss with the manager what we can show and what I will do. And I think tomorrow I'm going for the snorkeling. So I'm done, I did it. Like, I booked it and we talked about it, and they told me I'm gonna see sharks and mantras. Like, it's gonna be my first time seeing something like this. We will see, we will see. So now I'm going for food. They here in Labuan Bajo, everybody are so used to the tourists that when they see you, they just offer you. It's not like hello, hello. They are like taxi, taxi, taxi. They always want to offer you a ride in order to get some money, but it's okay. In Indonesia, you will always hear like the mosques. I mean the guys from the mosque praying and singing. So it's everywhere, but everywhere they have so loudspeakers. Now I'm heading back to the thing. Hello. And yeah, I don't feel like doing nothing today, so I'm just gonna chill at the hostel, book my flights because I need to go to Sri Lanka. Sorry, Singapore, Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka. I don't know. How will you see? So I came back to the hostel and I decided that I'm not gonna stay. They have a free boat ride to a small island. We're gonna go, like, some people from the hostel and snorkel there. It's for free, so why not? esto, guys. It's pretty cool. So now I'm going with Alexia.
Yay!
Oh, you like to be on the camera now.
Yeah, because I'm clean and my hair is okay.
Okay, so we're going to the fish market.
Yep.
And is it going to be cheap?
Yeah, it's really cheap and it's really good.
Okay, let's see.
Yay! I'm gonna get tempeh and banana. Hello.
But you are in a fish market.
Yeah. But still. Hello. Can I have one banana and 2 tempeh? So 2 tempeh. Terima kasih.
That's how you order. How much is it?
3,000.
Ah, only.
Yeah.
I want the...
Yeah, one more. One banana. Yeah.
I'm gonna buy it. It's only 3,000. Now it's 3,500.
No, it's 1,000 each.
Ah, 1,000 each.
Yeah.
So it's 7 o'clock and we are here in Scuba Republic. I'm gonna get the I'm gonna do the snorkeling today. I hope it's gonna be fun. Like in just some hour we are gonna go on the boat. I don't know how many people are gonna be there. I don't know what's included, but we will see. I've seen a manta ray and I've seen a Nemo and I've seen many fish. First time in my life I do this. So that's really cool. Bebe, yeah? Your name, Bebe. What is your name? Bebe. Bule. My friend Bule here is the best one. Can you show me around? The current was really strong. So we had to come from the beach. And now we're heading back to the boat for lunch, yeah? For snorkeling, like if you don't have any experience on diving and stuff, like this is really good to try out, and I'm really happy I did it. It's so good. Like this is the best thing to do. Like it's so nice. You can see so many stuff, and it's pretty cheap, like 600,000, and you get to have food and all day on board and free stuff, and you get to see like the actual fish life. It's one of the best things here.